The Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce Industry has conducted their meetings, monthly meetings here, and also in association with the Federation of Chamber of Commerce Industry. They have conducted some seminars and also for the promotion of the industry in the state, and also at the same time today they have got a subject for seminar, what ails the Arbitration Act. Earlier Arbitration Act 1940 has been replaced by an Act of Arbitration Conciliation Act of 1996, which came into force in the month of August 1996. What are the ails? Because even though the arbitration has been done, this has been done only to consolidate the international commercial arbitrations and also domestic arbitration and also Conciliation Act. How best conciliation, the concept of conciliation will be amended like that, and all these things has been done. Whether these objectives have been achieved or not, that's why what ails arbitration. What we have side studies is very expensive, is a time consuming. Even the orders passed has to be for recovery also, for execution also becoming difficult. How it will overcome, and the Chief Justice, Honorable Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh High Court has told that because these are no doubt these are the different, there are some insufficiencies are there, some disadvantages are there, some defects are. It has to be improved in the Act. This is still in operation. So many Supreme Court also has given so many decisions. But in spite of the fact that there was some disadvantage, some inherent defects, inherent difficulties are there, how best we can improve the Act by reducing the delay, by reducing the time, and also by cost effectiveness. All those things has been seen. Generally, it is taking more than 3-4 years. Even the 4-5 years, if arbitration, if it takes 3-4 years, nobody will go for arbitration. That's why what he has suggested is better to go for mediation or conciliation or for the adalat, etc. If they go to that one, that will go a long way.